Video presentación. Aprendiz de Charlie. Curso inglés. Nivel 3. Supermercado. My family and I usually go of Apple Same supermarket when we go to a city on Sunday. These are el food we can go with two. One and two meal, two dress. Meal, a liter of milk costs in ambos actual cost of 15,000 pesos. Is very expensive, but that's how we buy it. Hey, a bucket of eggs costs 20,000 pesos. El precio es razonable. Rice, a pound of rice costs 10,000 pesos. El precio is a little it, but that's how we bought it.